Major FX news and market moves. India's forex reserves continue rising. RBI data shows India's foreign exchange reserves climbed to about $696.6 billion, boosted by foreign currency assets and gold holdings. This accumulation supports financial stability amid global uncertainties. Indian rupee starts 2026 weaker. The rupee opened weaker near ~89.95 against the USD as corporate demand for dollars dominated in thin holiday trading. Despite the mild drop, analysts see support from strong fundamentals and robust forex reserves. China signals tolerance for stronger yuan. Recent moves suggest China may accept a stronger renminbi, yuan, against the dollar, with the pair near the strongest levels until the 15 months. This shift can influence other Asian currency dynamics. Forex trading scam reported in India. A large online forex trading scam in Ahmedabad has highlighted risks for retail traders engaging with unregulated platforms. Market conditions and volatility. Global forex markets are still quiet with low trading volumes post-New Year, as many markets remain in holiday mode. The US dollar has seen mild strength recently in thin year-end and early year trading, though broader trends still show mixed momentum across major pairs. Currency pairs like EUR, USD, JPY, GBP, USD, etc. are currently trading in narrow ranges, reflecting subdued participation.